Namaste, I am JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. There is a theorem if L is a finite extension of capital F and if K is a subfield of L which contains capital F, then Kf divided by Lf, that is Kf is the divisor of Lf. Given that L, K, F are fields such that L is superset of K is superset of F. Since L is finite extension of F, that is Lf is finite, let it is n, let alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n is basis for Lf and alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n generators L over the field F. Since F is subset of K, so all L1 alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n belongs to K. That is alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n also generator L over the field K. It may be possible that these alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n are not linearly independent. Since L is generator by finite number of elements alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n of K. Since Lk is finitely dimensional vector space, so L comma K is finite, so L comma F is finite. Since K comma F is also finite, since K is subset of F, but we know that Lf is equal to Lk Kf. Since Kf is the divisor of Lf, that is Kf is divisor of Lf. Now field adjunctions. Suppose K is a field extension of a field A F. Let A belongs to F. Let C be a collection of all subfield of K containing both F and A. C will not be empty because at least small k belongs to C. Let the intersection of all members of C is denoted by F of A. Since intersection of subfield of K is subfield of K, so F of A is also a subfield of K. By the definition of Fa, Fa is the smallest subfield of K containing A and F both. We say that Fa is obtained by adjoining A to F. The process of adjoining A to F is called the field adjunctions. Now simple field extension. The extension K of a field F is called simple field extension of F if K is equal to Fa for some A belongs to K. Let K be field extension of F and let AB belongs to K. F of A is equal to smallest subfield of K containing A and F both. Fab is equal to it is smallest subfield of K containing B and Fa. Smallest subfield of K containing B and A and F, it is denoted by Fab. Since Fab is equal to smallest subfield of K containing B, A and F, this is equal to smallest subfield of K containing A, B and F. So Fab is equal to F of BA. Similarly, F of A1, A2 and so on An is equal to smallest subfield of K obtained by adjoining A1, A2 and so on An to F. This is equal to smallest subfield of K containing capital K containing A and F. Now the next definition, algebraic field extension. Note fx is equal to the set of all polynomials and we have to study about the algebraic field extension. Let qx belongs to fx, that is qx is the polynomial in x over the field capital F, we can write qx is equal to a naught x to the power m plus a1 x to the power m minus 1 plus and so on plus am, where a naught comma a1 comma a2 and so on am are the elements of field F. Let K be the extension field of F. Let B belongs to K. QB is equal to A naught B to the power m plus A1 B to the power m minus 1 plus and so on am. We say that QB is the value of Qx at x is equal to B. If QB is equal to 0, that is A naught B to the power m and so on am is equal to 0, then B is called the root of the polynomial Qx, or B is satisfies polynomial Qx. Now algebraic element. Let K be an extension of a field F and small a belongs to capital K, then A is said to be algebraic over F if there exist non-zero polynomials Px belongs to Fx such that Pa is equal to 0, or an element A belongs to K is called algebraic if there exist scalars 0, C0, C1, C2 and so on Cn belongs to F such that C0 a to the power n plus C1 a1 to the power n minus 1 plus and so on Cn is equal to 0. Now transformational elements. Let K be an extension of field F, then A elements small a belongs to K is called transcendental element over F if it is not algebraic. A complex number is said to be algebraic number if it is algebraic over the field F of rational numbers. Q is equal to the field of rational number. The complex number which is not algebraic is called the transcendental, that is e, pi, log 2 are the transcendental. Minimum polynomial of a algebraic element. Let K be an extension of a field F. A polynomial Px of lowest positive degree satisfied by elements small a belongs to K is called minimal polynomial for A over field F. If coefficient of highest degree in minimal polynomial is 1, then polynomial is called the minimal monic polynomial or simply minimum polynomial. Now the theorem. Let small a belongs to K be algebraic over F, then any two minimal monic polynomial for a field are equal. Let Px is equal to x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus and so on an. Qx is equal to x to the power n plus b1 x to the power n minus 1 plus b2 x to the power n minus 2 plus and so on bn. This is second. B2 minimal polynomials of n degree for a in x. Since a1 an plus a1 a to the power n minus 1 plus and so on an is equal to 0, also a to the power n plus b1 a to the power n minus 1 plus and so on bn is equal to 0. Since a to the power n plus a1 a to the power n minus 1 plus and so on an is equal to a to the power n plus b1 a to the power n minus 1 plus and so on bn. On simplification, we notice if a1 is not equal to b1, a2 is equal to not equal to b2 and so on, then this will be satisfied a polynomial a1 minus b1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 minus n2 x to the power n minus 2 plus an minus bn, its degree is n minus 1. Since degree of Px or Qx is n and Px will not be minimal our assumption a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2 and so on an plus bn is wrong. So a1 is equal to a2, b1 is equal to b2 and so on bn is equal to an. Third, so px is equal to qx. So minimal monic polynomial is unique. Now the next theorem, let a belongs to k be algebraic over f and let px be a polynomial for a over f, then px is reducible over f, that is px cannot be factorized. Let px be polynomial in fx and smallest positive in degree such that pa is equal to 0. We have to prove that the theorem suppose category contrary that px is not irreducible. Therefore, let px is equal to fx qx, where fx and gx are polynomials of positive degree less than the degree of px. Since a satisfied px, that is pa is equal to FAGA, that is FAGA is equal to 0. Since FA is equal to 0 or GA is equal to 0, that is Fx will be minimal or Gx will be minimal. Since Px will not be minimal, but the given that Px is minimal, so our assumption that Px is not irreducible is wrong, hence Px is irreducible. Thank you.